Kitchen English Daily Words. Spoon. Spoon. The spoon is silver. Fork. Fork. I need a fork. Knife. Knife. The knife is clean. Plate. Plate. The plate is blue. Bowl. Bowl. The bowl is empty. Cup. Cup. She drinks tea from a cup. Glass. Glass. I drink water from a glass. Mug. Mug. The mug is yellow. Water. Water. I need some water. Food. Food. The food looks good. Kitchen objects. Fridge. Fridge. The milk is in the fridge. Oven. Oven. I cook pizza in the oven. Microwave. Microwave. The microwave heats food. Hob. Hob. The pan goes on the hob. Sink. Sink. This is a sink. Tap. Tap. The tap is on. Dishwasher. Dishwasher. The dishwasher is full. Pan. Pan. I cook food in the pan. Kettle. Kettle. I boil water in the kettle. Toaster. Toaster. I put bread in the toaster. Air fryer. Air fryer. Food is cooking in the air fryer. Cupboard. Cupboard. The cupboard is empty. Table. Table. The table is clean. Action words. Eat. Eat. He eats a burger. Drink. Drink. She drinks water. Cook. Cook. He is cooking dinner. Cut. Cut. She cuts the pepper. Wash. Wash. She washes the vegetables. Open. Open. The tin is open. Closed. Closed. The tin is closed. Boil. Boil. The water is boiling. Fry. Fry. He is frying eggs. Clean. Clean. She cleans the kitchen. Quick review. Spoon. Fork. Knife. Plate. Bowl. Cup. Glass. Mug. Water. Food. Fridge. Oven. Microwave. Hob. Sink. Tap. Dishwasher. Pan. Kettle. Toaster. Air fryer. Cupboard. Table. Eat. Drink. Cook. Cut. Wash. Open. Closed. Boil. Fry. Clean. Quick quiz. What is this? Spoon. What is this? Fridge. What action is this? Fry. What is this? Kettle. What action is this? Eat. How many did you get right? Well done. You now know 30 kitchen words in English. Keep practicing to improve your English. Ready for more? Learn more English here.